Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming by. I'm so glad each and every one of you are here. This is Lannie and I am coming back with another makeup tutorial, and this time I am doing a full face of Maybelline products. I was doing my makeup the other day and I realized I had so many Maybelline products that I only had to get a few little bits and pieces here and there, but I pretty much had a full face of Maybelline that I could do and share with you guys. Anytime I go to the drugstore, Maybelline is always the area that I gravitate toward because they have so many great products. I'm gonna stop rambling, but before we get into the makeup tutorial, I want you guys to do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I will greatly appreciate it. Also hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload videos. So without further ado, if you want to learn how I did this look, let's go ahead and get started. So I already have my eyebrows done, my face primed, and my eyelids primed. So I'm going to go ahead and get into this look. I'm going to start off with my Maybelline GiGi Hadid palette. This is how it looks. So it's a pretty palette. I've used it a few times already, as you can see, especially this pretty color here. So I'm going to use it again for this video. I'm going to start off with this pretty purplish mauvey lilac color, and it is called Butterfly Lane. So I'm going to go ahead and dip it in my brush. Now, because I've used this palette before, I know that I have to use a white base, or else these colors won't show up as pigmented on my eyes. So using a white base helps a lot. Next, I'm going to go into this dark color here. It's kind of like a dark brownish color, black brownish color, and that one is called East Valley. And I'm going to take a tapered brush and kind of go, I don't want to cover up that purple color, but I'm going to kind of go in the crease here, in the corner here, and kind of build up that color and make it have a little bit more depth. And I'm going to take this light brown color here, and that one is called Carbon Crayon, and I'm going to dip that lightly into a fluffy brush and kind of buff out the edges a little bit so it won't look as harsh. I'm going to use this really pretty rose gold pink color here, and that one is called G-Force, and I've already sprayed my brush. I found that after spraying your brush, the color payoff is a lot better. So I've already sprayed it, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this brush and pack that color on. So I popped on some lashes, and I'm going to go ahead and move on to skin. Like I already stated before, my skin is already primed. And if you've watched any of my other videos before, you know that my Maybelline Superstay is one of my favorite foundations ever. And this is in the color Mocha. And when I went to make this video the other day, and I did my eyes and everything, and then I went to do my face, and I realized that I am completely out of foundation. So I use this a lot. I actually went to pick up more, and I saw that they have this Maybelline Superstay Multi-Use Foundation Stick, and it's been years since I've used a stick foundation, since back when I used to use Iman. So I thought I would give this a try, and I've used it already, and I do like it. It has this side where it has the foundation, and then it also has a little sponge that you can blend with, but I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to go ahead and swap this on my skin. And this foundation is in the color Mocha as well. When I first used this foundation, I was a little afraid that it wouldn't blend as well as a liquid foundation, but it blends just as well. You just have to make sure that you wet your brush before you start blending, and it will help it blend a little bit better. This is another favorite of mine. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Hazelnut, and I use this a lot as well. I'm actually almost out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use this on the areas that I want to conceal. And of course I'm gonna take a damp Real Techniques Beauty Blender and blend out that concealer. Next I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Contour Kit, and this is how it looks. Now I have tried this before as well, and I'm not a huge fan because that contour color can be way darker. They only have two colors, two palettes like this, and this is the darkest one they had. And if you are a dark skinned girl like I am, this is not going to give you the contour, like the dark contour that you want. Now I have another drugstore palette that I use regularly when I want to contour, and this is that Black Radiance palette, and you see how nice and chocolatey that color is compared to that. See, and this is their medium to dark, and this is their dark, their medium to dark as well. And so they definitely need to work on this, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this palette. So I'm going to go ahead and dip it in that color and go in the areas where I would like to contour. And as you can see, it's not showing up as well as it could. So I'm a huge fan of Maybelline, like huge fan. I've loved so many of their products, but this is one of the ones that I'm like, they're a brand that's, to me, that's inclusive. They cater to dark-skinned women as well as, fair-colored women. But this palette, this contour palette really needs work. I'm gonna set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the color Deep. Because the areas where I contoured aren't showing up as prominently, I'm just going to take a little powder and kind of carve out this area here and give it kind of the illusion that that's like a really intense contour. Now I'm just going to take a powder brush and dust off, but as well as go over the other areas that I didn't have that powder and just kind of set my whole face. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Maybelline Master Fix Face Studio Wear Boosting Setting Spray, and this is also a favorite. This is a really good setting spray. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Long Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in the color Black is Black. And as you can see, this is almost gone as well because I use it all the time. This is like my favorite eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I'm going to go back into this GiGi Hadid palette, and I'm going to take that dark color, and I'm going to go at the bottom of lash line or waterline. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Big Lash, Great Lash, in the color Black is Black. I wasn't going to, but I think I'm going to do like a teeny inner corner highlight, and I'm going to take this color here, and that one is called Off Duty. This is my absolute favorite blush. I love this blush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the color Berry. So pretty. This is my favorite blush. I've been using this blush non-stop since I got it. For highlight, I'm going to be using another favorite, my Maybelline Master Chrome, and this is in the color Molten Peach. So pretty, and as you can see, it is cracked because my beautiful 16-month-old decided to take it and drop it on the floor, and it cracked into, oh, there's so many pieces, but I'm still going to use it because it's so pretty and I can't throw it away. It works just as well. I just have to be super careful. And lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using two Maybelline lipsticks, and these are both new lipsticks, and one is called Rich Ruby, which is a matte red color, and this one is called Peach Buff, which is a matte like peachy nude color. And here's one, and here is the other, and I've used both of these as well. I'm a sucker for a beautiful matte red lip, so this is like really, really pretty. I'm trying to get into the nudes. I do nudes sometimes, but I'm more of a bold, dark color matte lip. There's my baby. Hold on. What is this on your face? Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and finish off our lips, and I'm going to start off with this red color here. I'm going to go in the middle with Peach Buff. And because I can't help but to line my lips just a little bit, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner, and this is in the color Rich Chocolate. And I'm not going to overdo it. I just need to line just a little bit. Just a little bit. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Were there any products that you really like that you think that you may try? Did you have any favorites? I'll have to tell you, the lipsticks are really, really pretty. I've used them several times since I've gotten them. But I would say my favorites will probably have to be the blush, the highlighter, and the foundation as well. I really enjoyed the liquid form, and this one is just as good. So if you had any favorites, let me know what they are in the comments below. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.